Welcome back to Don's Life. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining today. It's a cold one. Winter is coming. We're going to check in on the oil catch can that I installed earlier this year. Let's go. Man, it's cold out. So in here is the oil catch can that I installed earlier this year. It was early June, and I did a follow-up after the first 1,000 miles to see how much had accumulated in the way of vapors, contaminants, anything that was normally going to go back into the intake manifold to be burned off. This was going to filter it out and catch it, anything harmful that is. And in that video, and I'll link it up here, we took a look and we saw there was indeed some solids that were in the oil or the vapors that had come through. But I also mentioned that when winter comes, the maintenance schedule for your oil catch can, they recommend emptying it every day. Now I'm in harsh cold climates. We're getting overnights right now that are 14 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 10 Celsius, and it's only October. We're gonna get down to minus 40 Celsius, minus 40 Fahrenheit. The poor girl's got to park outside every day, so I feel really bad for her, hence the name of the title of the video. We're going to take the oil catch can off now and have a look. I suspect because it is freezing temperatures out right now that the oil is quite thick. So we'll inspect it right now in that state. So we'll bring it into the garage to let it warm up a little bit, and then I'm going to uninstall it because I am not going to be on top of or even look forward to emptying this catch can every day when it's minus 40. It's not going to happen. So I'm going to put back the PCV valve that it came with, and I'm going to show you how quick that is to do, and then we'll put this back on next spring. We'll just twist this off. I can't quite get the leverage. I'm going to need some vertical assistance. Why are you looking up there? We'll just use this. Comes off nicely. It's pretty thick. Nice and thick. Ew. Now it wouldn't be a Don's Life video without a cold start. It's not going to be that much warmer, but at least the working environment's better. I didn't want to let it run too long because then it would be too hot to touch. Yes, it's still pretty thick, but that's okay. We'll dump most of it out into a Ziploc bag and inspect it. And I'm curious, I'm going to pull the magnetic drain plug and just see if there's anything on it or if I can feel any grit. That would tell me there's metal shavings. No, just thread tape. I'm pretty happy with that. No shavings, so that's good. It's milky. Okay, let's take a closer look at our oil here. Looks pretty good. I don't see any large particles, so that's good. But this is the crud that would go back into the intake side of your manifold to be burnt off and could turn into sludge. So we did not introduce this back into the system. But it is winter, or winter is upon us, so I am going to uninstall the catch can because of my northern climate. If I was in an area that was only sub-zero, you know, maybe a few times a week in the winter, then it would be a different story. I'd probably leave it on, but I don't want to have to deal with emptying out any condensation, especially on a daily basis. There's people out there that wouldn't want to go outside now and they'd be complaining. Can you imagine if it's minus 40 Celsius or Fahrenheit, same thing? Most people wouldn't leave their houses. So I'm not about to come to a stop every day, let it cool down a bit, pop the hood, take the catch can out. So I have my old PCV hose right here. We're gonna uninstall the catch can. I'm gonna show you how easy it is. We'll leave the bracket in place and then we will just pinch this in and put it back where the old hoses are. I'll rethread this later with new tape, but I just wanna use it for the uninstall so I don't drip oil anywhere. So I'll put this back on temporarily and then take everything off. You can see these hoses are easy to undo. Just push the gray button, pull it off. This one's a little more stubborn. You gotta pinch both sides, where the other connectors are just the one side. Now I've decided that I'm actually going to take off the mount because it's one bolt instead of having to do these two screws. So you can see it's all disconnected. I'll undo this bolt, we can take it out. But before I do that, let me put the other hose back on. Now we'll just place this here. The label, if I looked at my old video, goes closest to the intake. So this will just, that's secure. And that's secure. Back to stock. Well, there we go. We removed the catch can for our harsh winter. Remember, if you live in a warmer climate, you would not have to do this. Some are going to say that I don't have to do this even though I live in the climate that I do. However, I'm just going by the manufacturer guidelines and the maintenance schedule alone in this cold climate, again being daily, not for me. But there is about 5,000 miles of vapors with possible contamination that did not get introduced into the intake side of the manifold. But anyway, we're gonna put this away safe, leave it hibernate for the winter. But if you like today's video, hit that like button. Please consider subscribing. We'll talk to you next time.